Hey everybody, all right, drink number 3 for St. Paddy's Day week. This is a whole celebration of random drinks that I found that I wanted to try out. The first day we did the Drunken Leprechaun. Good, not great. Easy to make though. Number 2 was the Dubliner, which I'm sipping on now. Fantastic. 10 out of 10 stars. If you're a whiskey drinker, try it out. If you love Manhattans, try it out. It's delicious. All right, so number 3. Oh, number 3. Number 3, we're going to do a drink called the Irish Maid. Now, this came from the Milk and Honey Bar in New York by a legendary bartender who created this cocktail. We're going to recreate it here. Well, we're going to make one. How about that? Not recreate, make one. And we're going to see how good this drink really is. So, first things first, we're going to need a rocks glass. So, let's get our rocks glass out. Preferably chilled. This is slightly chilled, if that. But it'll work. It's cold. Okay? And my bar mat is sticky. It happens. Okay. Number 2, we're going to need our Boston shaker. Oh yes, we haven't shaken a drink in a couple episodes, so let's shake something up. All right, and with the shaker, we need ice. So this cocktail is going to have cucumbers, I know, bear with me, Irish whiskey, I already love it, lemon juice, simple syrup, Saint Germain. First things first, we gotta muddle. All right, so I have these small seedless cucumbers. I'm gonna throw in 1, 2, 3, about 4 of these little bastards right in there. Boom. And we're gonna pour our Irish whiskey in there, our simple syrup, our lemon juice, and our Saint Germain in there as well. We're gonna muddle it all together, add ice, shake, pour. So, easy peasy, cucumber squeezy. Let's do it. So 2 ounces of Irish whiskey. Today we're gonna do Jameson. Last time we did the black barrel. This is going to be our standard. As you saw, my black barrel was almost gone. So, 2 ounces. So, 1, 2. Perfect. All right. Next thing's next. Saint Germain. Funny story about Saint Germain. Saint Germain, this beautiful bottle here, was a bottle we picked up a few years ago. Not this particular bottle, but a few years ago. My wife saw it at the liquor store and said, "It's beautiful, I want it." So we got it, just because it was a pretty bottle. But I went through my first bottle, so it took 2 years to come up with cocktails and stuff and try it out, but had to buy a brand new spanking bottle. But oh man, I could smell it all day long. It's like the perfume of liqueurs. It smells so delicious. Very, very floral, very, very, very sweet. It's beautiful. Where's this made from? Let's get to know your liqueur here. Saint Germain, elderflower liqueur. Let's see here. Ooh, it is French. Probably could have told you that by the style of the bottle. It looks very fleur-de-lis to me. Fresh, hand-selected elderflowers impart a crisp melange of flavors with hints of citrus and tropical fruits. Product of France. All right, so here we go. 1/2 ounce of our Saint Germain liqueur. And if you're ever going to experiment with making your own cocktails, this has to be on your list because it really does bring some really amazing flavors. And I'm a big fan. Big fan. All right, next thing we're gonna need is 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. Yes, my $1 lemon squeezer. All right, here we go. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. I always use fresh juices. Fresher the better. Fresher the juice. That's why I don't do a lot of the roses. We did the roses lime in that cocktail earlier. I just don't do roses lime. I do lime juice. You know, I am a big fan of that. So try to stay simple ingredients, simple flavors, fresh flavors. and you're good. All right, 3/4 ounce simple syrup. 3/4 ounce simple syrup. So 3/4 ounce, which seems like a lot. Seems very sweet to me. But we'll try it out. First time I've ever had this cocktail, so perhaps it's going to be beautiful. So we're going to muddle that, and what we're going to do is we're going to, ooh, it's hard to break down those cucumbers, those cukes. Maybe the bigger ones are going to be a little easier to break down, but these little bastards are tough. An orange slice, this is not. All right. So muddler, be damned, you're done. So I throw a little bit of ice in there, and we are also going to put some ice in our cocktail. There we go. All right, so we're going to give her a good shake. Ready? And here we go. And that, my friends, is an Irish Maid. All right, we're gonna garnish with an adorable little cucumber, our cocktail straw, and there, my friends, is an Irish Maid. So let's take a sip. Ooh. Oh, that's a fun drink. That's fun. That brings a smile to my face. My wife is gonna love this. I'm gonna make this for her tonight. That is. That's good. Now that is refreshing. That's a Tom Collins level of refreshing. That's a refreshing cocktail. Wow, that's so good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 10 out of 10. We hit 2 out of the park this week. One, I'll call the first one the Drunken Leprechaun a double. Then we hit 2 bangers right over the wall with the Dubliner and this one. Which one do I like better? 2 totally different markets. I think the Dubliner is for those whiskey Manhattan drinkers, someone who really appreciate the distilled flavor of spirits and the elegant presentation. This, the Irish Maid, is for the softer, sweeter, refreshing, hot summer days where you're gonna sit outside in the sun. You got the barbecue going, grill going, whatever, bonfire. You make a couple of these for your friends, you're gonna have a fantastic night. So, all right, guys, cheers. 3 for 3, baby. Hopefully everyone enjoyed this episode. God damn, it's good. Like and subscribe. Really appreciate all the subscriptions so far, guys. Really appreciate you for watching this. And go out, get yourself some Saint Germain, get some cucumbers, go to town. All right, well, thank you very much. Have a great day, guys, and we'll see you later. Happy St. Paddy's Day. All right, bye, guys. Look at these 2 videos.